Hi, I'm Nelson Drago with Chardo Tea Room, Los Angeles, on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we'll be talking about black tea from Africa. One of our famous black teas is called Mauritius. It actually comes from island of Mauritius. It is a black tea which is almost like a fanning. Fanning is a leaf which is almost grounded, and this is added with a little bit of vanilla flavor to it. It's very addictive, very strong, and excellent with milk. Again, it has about caffeine content would be the same as any other black tea, but it's very rich and very full-bodied, very strong. If you're looking for a wake-up tea, this is a perfect one. And it also does taste very good iced, but with a little bit of hint of milk in it. The steeping time again would be 3 minutes, and for such kind of tea, you need to use a fine infuser. Fine infuser in the sense the mesh has to be really fine, otherwise the tea is going to be coming out. As you see, I'm putting it in this right here and doesn't come out. It has to be a fine strainer or a tea saw for steeping such kind of fannings.